Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha Ahmad.
And my name is Aman Ahmed.
After a long time, we are back. So today we will learn double O words and double E words. Let's start with double O words. Aman, what are the spelling of cook?
C double O K.
Good. What are the spelling of word?
W double O
Yes.
D.
Aman, excellent. What are the spelling of book?
B double O
Yes.
K.
Good, Aman. Now let's go on double E words. So let's start now double E words. Now let's move towards double E words. So let's start. Aman, what are the spelling of tree?
T R
Yes.
double E.
Good. What are the spelling of seed?
S C double E.
Yeah.
D.
Good, Aman. What are the spelling of bee?
B double E.
Excellent, Aman. What are the spelling of jeep?
J
Yes.
double E.
Yes, man, you can do it.
G P.
Good. For more informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day.